This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Vietnamese lemongrass grilled pork chops.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Here is what you need. 2 stalks of lemongrass, finely chopped. We are only using the bottom 3 to 4 inches of the lemongrass. One chilli, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 small shallots, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, two tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend them all together. Remove the pork chop from the fridge for about half an hour to let it come up to room temperature. Set aside 3 to 4 tablespoons of the marinade to be used later. And pour the rest over the pork chops and marinate it for a few hours or overnight. You can either pan fry or grill the pork chops over a medium heat. When done, let the pork chops rest for about 5 minutes. Drizzle the 3 to 4 tablespoons of marinade that you have set aside before you marinated the pork over the pork chops before serving. If you are using the marinade that has already been in contact with the raw pork, boil it for 2 minutes to cook off the raw pork. Vietnamese lemongrass grilled pork chops. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.